Are you looking to transform your living room into a serene and stylish minimalist retreat? If so, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to share DIY minimalist living room decor ideas that will help you create a calm and elegant space. Whether you're working with a small apartment or a larger home, these tips will give your living room a fresh and modern vibe. If you enjoy minimalist home decor, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon so you never miss another helpful video about home design and DIY projects. Creating a minimalist living room doesn't mean your space has to be plain or devoid of character. Minimalist decor can be elegant, functional, and incredibly calming. The goal is to have a clean, organized space that feels spacious yet cozy. Let's explore some DIY ideas to help you achieve the perfect minimalist living room that's both peaceful and inviting. 1. Start with a neutral color palette. A minimalist living room begins with the right color palette. Neutral shades like white, beige, light gray, and soft tones of taupe will help set the calming vibe you're looking for. These colors make your space appear larger and more open. Begin by painting your walls in a neutral color. Then, choose light-colored furniture to keep the space feeling airy. Light gray sofas, beige chairs, and off-white carpets work well. If you prefer a bit of contrast, consider adding darker elements like black frames, navy cushions, or charcoal accessories. Neutral color schemes are the foundation of any minimalist interior because they allow you to add small pops of color without overwhelming the space. 2. Declutter and simplify. A key principle of minimalist design is eliminating excess. Start by removing anything that doesn't serve a purpose or isn't adding value to the space. Decluttering is essential for a minimalist living room because it creates a calming environment where only the essentials remain. Focus on simplifying the items in your space. Store away extra cushions, magazines, or knickknacks that you don't use every day. Consider investing in storage solutions that blend with your decor, such as sleek, modern shelving units or stylish storage baskets. The less cluttered your space, the more peaceful it will feel. 3. Choose sleek and simple furniture. Minimalist furniture should have clean lines, simple shapes, and a modern feel. When choosing furniture, opt for pieces that are functional and not too ornate. A low-profile sofa with clean, straight edges is a great choice for a minimalist living room. The furniture should not overpower the space but complement it. For example, instead of large, heavy coffee tables, go for smaller tables with simple designs. If you can, choose pieces with storage capabilities, like an ottoman that doubles as both a table and a storage unit. Minimalist furniture allows you to focus on the functionality and beauty of each piece. 4. Incorporate natural elements. One way to enhance your minimalist living room is by bringing the outdoors in. Natural elements can bring warmth and texture to the room without disrupting the overall aesthetic. Houseplants are a great way to add greenery and life to the space. Large indoor plants, such as a fiddle-leaf fig or snake plant, can act as focal points. Choose simple, neutral pots to keep the decor cohesive. Wood accents, like a wooden coffee table, bookshelves, or even a wooden accent wall, can create a balanced, organic feel. Natural materials like wood, stone, or marble also work well in minimalist decor because they add a sense of calm and tranquility. 5. Focus on clean lines and simple shapes. Minimalist decor is all about clean lines and simple shapes. This extends not just to your furniture, but also to your decorative items. When selecting decorative accents or artwork, look for items with geometric shapes or abstract designs. For example, choose simple framed artwork or minimalist wall hangings with bold, clean lines. Avoid overly detailed or ornate pieces of art. Simple patterns, like black and white abstract art, can be striking while still adhering to the minimalist theme. The key is not to overcrowd your walls with too much art or decoration. 6. Lighting makes a big difference. Lighting plays a crucial role in creating a minimalist living room that feels warm and inviting. Avoid harsh overhead lights. Instead, use soft, ambient lighting that creates a cozy, relaxing atmosphere. You can use floor lamps, table lamps, or wall sconces with soft light to set the mood. Look for minimalist light fixtures with clean lines and simple shapes. Consider using dimmer switches to adjust the light intensity according to the time of day or your needs. Large windows and sheer curtains are also great for allowing natural light to flood the room. 7. Embrace minimalist storage solutions. To keep your minimalist living room organized, you'll need smart storage solutions. Choose furniture that offers hidden storage, such as ottomans, storage benches, or bookshelves with concealed compartments. Consider floating shelves for books or decor items that help keep the room tidy. Make sure everything in your living room has a designated place. This will help maintain the calm, clean environment that is central to minimalist living. Conclusion: by focusing on simplicity, neutral tones, and clean lines, you can create a living room that is both calm and elegant. A minimalist living room can feel open, airy, and inviting, perfect for unwinding after a busy day. Minimalist DIY home decor ideas, such as choosing sleek furniture, decluttering, and incorporating natural elements, will transform your space into a stylish sanctuary. Remember, the key to minimalist design is functionality and quality. When choosing pieces for your living room, prioritize items that are not only beautiful but also practical. With these ideas, you'll be well on your way to creating a serene living space that radiates elegance and simplicity. We hope these DIY minimalist living room decor ideas have inspired you to create a calm and elegant space in your home. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more design tips and DIY projects, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so you never miss an update.